All right, part 3 deals with exterior angles. So, exterior doesn't matter what shape you're dealing with. If you walk around the exterior of a circle, starting point, ending point, you have traveled 360 degrees. Okay, triangle, starting point, ending point. You end up where you started. That's 360 degrees. Okay, a square or a quadrilateral, starting point to ending point, 360. Here we got an octagon, super sloppy, but we got an octagon. Starting point all the way around to the ending point is 360 degrees. So exterior angles of a regular, again, key word here is regular. Why is that a key word? Because regular means all the sides are the same. So on average, we can find each exterior angle by taking our shape. So let's say we've got a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not regular, but on average, how many degrees did we turn to get back to the starting point? Think about it. This is the start. Okay. So we went this direction. If we just kept carrying on, we'd travel in a straight line forever. But we had to turn to stay on track, which got us back on this line. Okay, again, if we continued forever, wouldn't do us much, but we had to turn this much to stay on track. Again, travel forever, turn this much to stay on track, travel forever, turn this much to stay on track, and then finally, we travel on this line, and guess what? We ended back where we started. Turn this much to stay on track. So how many turns did it take us to get back to where we started? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guess what? We just dealt with a pentagon. How many sides does a pentagon have? 5. 5. Can you see that? 5. How many turns did we take? 5. How many degrees did we turn? 360. It took us 5 turns to get there. So on average, how many degrees was each exterior angle is answering the question, a full turn, 360, divided by the number of sides. So 360 divided by 5, 5 goes into 36 7 times. 7 times 5 is 35. 36 minus 35 is 1. Bring down our 0. 10 divided by 5 gives us 2. 2 times 5 is exactly 10 with nothing left over. How many degrees was each exterior turn? 72 degrees. So let's revisit that. All right, I have got a perfect square. Pretend that's perfect. All right, here's our starting point, and it's also our ending point. Okay, so we're traveling this direction. We've got to turn this amount to stay on course. Now we're traveling this direction. We've got to turn this amount to stay on course. This direction, turn this amount to stay on course. This direction, sorry, it's a little sloppy. This direction, and we've got to turn this amount to end up right back where we started. So hopefully you know that the interior angles of a square are 90 degrees. But let's prove that. We just traveled 360 degrees. How many turns did it take to get there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides does our shape have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 360 divided by 4 is 90 degrees. How much is each exterior angle of a regular quadrilateral? 90 degrees. So there is an introduction to exterior angles. Let's visit one more idea really quickly. All right. So let's call this a regular triangle. I'll show you that it's regular by telling you this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. So let's look at the interior angles. Okay, how many triangles, how many diagonals can I draw? 0. Therefore, how many triangles do I have? 1. Remember, diagonals is the number of sides minus 3. Triangles is the number of sides minus 2. So 3 minus 3 gives me 0 diagonals. 3 minus 2 gives me 1 triangle. So we've got a triangle here. All the interior angles, all the sides are equal, so all the interior angles are equal. So how much is each interior angle? 100 divided by 3. 180 divided by 3. Because we've got 3 angles, a triangle adds up to 180. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. 0 divided by 3 is 0. So each interior angle is 60 degrees. So how about each exterior angle? Let's explore 2 different ways to solve this problem. Okay, here's my start, here's my end. Okay, so I'm going this direction, and I've got to make a turn to stay on track. Now I'm going this direction. Make a turn to stay on track. This direction, make a turn to stay on track. So we took 3 turns to go 360 degrees. So each exterior angle is 360 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 0 divided by 3 is 0. So each exterior angle is 120 degrees. I want to show you another way to prove that. We just said that each interior angle is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Notice, let's just focus up here. This interior angle right here plus this exterior angle is a straight line. Straight lines add up to 180. So the interior angle, which is 60 degrees, plus our exterior angle equals 180 degrees. Missing add-in problem, subtract. 180 minus 60 gives us 120 degrees. Each exterior angle, exterior meaning outside, is 120 degrees. So 2 ways to solve that. How many turns did it take? Divide 360 by that. Or find the interior angle, subtract that from 180, that gives you your exterior angle. Hopefully that helps. I appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful evening.